Hey guys, what's going on? So October 13th, early in the morning, guys. I'm recording this about 10 o'clock. Guys, the market is about to collapse. And at this point, even if you just take a look at a few basic charts, right? Because I've been getting all kinds of messages from traders this morning like, Leo, the banks, they're going higher. I'm like, guys, this shit is about to fall apart. Read between the lines what the banks are actually recording. They got major charge-offs and big institutional investors like BLK, BlackRock. Loud and clear, the CEO said, hey, BlackRock CEO basically said, look, we got a problem with inflows. The money is not flowing in like it has been in the last 20 years, which was the main point over the last couple of months. I have mentioned that, guys. There is a liquidity crisis. This market, you're looking at 4,400. Okay, it's about to go like Black Monday. I mean, guys, we could be under 4,000. I mean, there's a high probability we are in a 2-3-3-3 type sequence. Move 2 being today. So despite of everything was green pre-market, right? If you're part of the members group, the paying members alerts, guys, you would have known before the market even opened. We told you it's a move to. You buy puts in move to while the market is bouncing. And at this point, like if you look at this chart, it should be very clear to anyone, okay, that the deep buying behavior is gone. Okay, if you're still buying the dip, you're a dinosaur in this type of market. So if you go back and listen to some of the messages we've posted here in July, we've called for this stop. Now, every time the market drops, it bounces, it creates a lower high. What is this? That's a lower high. And what is this? This is the most dangerous lower high of all types of lower highs, because here, the market at least bounces above the blue moving average line. Here, it can't even quite get there. And so that's the moment where things can collapse exponentially lower. So, guys, there's some crazy trades. I know, some of my favorites are like stuff like AVGO. So guess who shorted AVGO today? When the stock was above 900 bucks. We did it. Here at 30 Market Moves, guys. And so far, hey, it's only like a tiny little red candle. Guys, come Monday, I mean, we could be over here next week. I mean, there's a phenomenal opportunity. This stock is at the top. Okay, last time I pointed this multi-top formation, and there was a probability it could have just fallen the fuck out right here. But sometimes, okay, things will retest the level, and it just retested that level. We've been waiting for that moment. We shorted the hell out of it. So there's some easy trades like this, guys. All Tesla bulls are going to be gone. Guys, Tesla, by the end of the year, shit, it could be right here. Could be right here, like 160. Shit, maybe it's going to even drop below 160. I mean, there's a high probability of that. But guys, any stock you look at, look, it's a lower high. It's a lower high. The trend has reversed back in summer. So we're in a bear market, and things are about to get very ugly. Look, I'll post some videos, but I just want to get this message out of the way, guys. Monday could be a Black Monday. Okay, you could be coming in. We could be getting down huge. So don't miss that opportunity. Come trade with 30 Market Moves. If you want me to do some other charts analysis, schedule a call at 30 Market Moves. If you're trying to improve as a trader, congratulations to a bunch of our guys who nailed some 10x, 20x trades in the last 48 hours. I mean, this market is about to tank in a way that nobody can see it coming. And again, the main issue is liquidity. The banks will be selling a lot of stuff. Okay, bonds, they're gonna collapse slower. So since I've posted the video on bonds, guys, we dropped lower. So over here, I was saying, look, we have not hit the bottom yet. And so we dropped way lower, hit like 83 handle that day. We bounced, but guys, this is not a bull, okay? Bonds will fucking collapse. Big banks are going to sell. Again, the issue described in yesterday's audio recording is the banks are not reporting the losses. Technically, by the accounting standards, they don't have to report the losses on bonds until they actually sell. And so if we see bonds maybe getting closer to like 81, 82 on this chart, a lot of big banks, they will fucking sell. That's a fact. And then those losses will be recorded. And what's crazy, stocks like Apple, which is probably out of all private companies, holds more U.S. government bonds than anyone else. Okay, stocks like Apple, surprisingly, okay, still holding around 180. But if Apple's going to have to sell some of these bonds, guys, Apple's going to be trading down to $120. It's just a matter of time. But guess what? I mean, some of these big, heavy winners over the last 12 months, which based on this chart, you can't even say anymore that it's a winner. What I'm saying is all of these big heavyweight champs of the world like Microsoft and Apple, and when they have cash, what do they do with it? They buy fucking bonds. And it's just a matter of time till they're going to have to sell. I mean, they can't be holding these things forever. So they have certain guidelines to follow. And guys, we're talking about, I mean, trillions and trillions of dollars in bonds that are now down 30%. It would drop another 10%. It is over. Okay, the market will have biggest one-day collapse. You can't even picture this kind of shit right now. So we're very close to that moment. I know we've been talking about it for the last month, 2 months. I've been trying to prepare you guys for this. But the way you trade this, it is fucking important. Okay? The way you trade this, when you get your entries, all this stuff matters. So sign up to trade with 30 Market Moves Coach if you care to make it big by the end of this year. As a short seller, I mean, this market is ripe for the taking. And before you know, come Monday, there is a chance options could be way, way overpriced on the put side. So don't miss the opportunity to get in while the options are cheap. Today, the options are still cheap. Okay, so call us right now, guys, and don't miss this. This is going to be huge. Okay, take action now, and let's roll.